What a month it's been. July 2019.
Welcome to episode 3.
This month I was lucky enough to go and speak at an event with a man called Kerwin Rae. So I don't know if you follow him on social media or not, but if you don't, you should. I basically found him through social media. So what I opened for the other night was the Fast Growth Summit, which is where he talks about social media presence, marketing your brand and your company. So the way that I found him was obviously through social media. I got his information coming through my feed. I really loved his content, and then I went to the Fast Growth Summit a couple of years ago. Ended up doing some more work with him in terms of his coaching side of things. We've definitely, as you can see, probably over the last couple of months, we've really committed to social media, both for ourselves, our customers, our clients, and our reach is getting further and further out there. So really proud of what we've achieved there. And it was really all off the back of that initial Fast Growth Summit that I have opened for, the one that was has just happened last Wednesday night. So yeah, that's how it all began. So it's been an absolute game changer for me in terms of understanding social media and understanding how we can, we can benefit us as a business, but also benefit our clients. And it's just, I guess, getting up to date and up to speed with where we really need to be from a business perspective as well. I am here at the Fast Growth Summit, which is a Kerwin Rae event. Just want to give you guys a little bit of insight as to what we're up to tonight. So fortunately, I've been given the great opportunity to come and intro for Kerwin tonight in front of about 700 people. I don't know if you can see all the chairs that are here, but you can't because you're looking at me. But yeah, very excited, looking so forward to it.
Hey guys, had an awesome open home at 6 Marigold Close in Fitzgibbon. We had 21 groups through on the Saturday, another 8 groups on the Tuesday night. We've had 5 written contracts and an offer's now been accepted.
So it's something that we like to do at What Realty every month if we can, is try and do something together. Sometimes a little bit over a month, but majority of the time. So this month we had a catch up. We just went out for dinner, went out to a cool burger restaurant called, I think it was called Z Pickle or Z Burger. It's one of the two, I can't remember. Anyway, bad plug. And had some burgers, had a few drinks, and then we went to Holy Moly Golf indoor putt, and yeah, just hung out together. It's just about having a bit of fun, just breaking out and giving something back to the team. Gives us the opportunity to obviously improve culture and do those sort of things. So I love the opportunity to just hang out with the guys, no agenda, outside of work, and yeah, just enjoy their company. It's a nice thing to do, and a nice way to spend our time. I've had a couple of opportunities to do some speaking events. One was obviously the intro for the Fast Growth Summit in Brisbane, and I've also spoken at the Brisbane Property Networking Group, which is real estate based, and I was able to talk about what I'm passionate about and to be able to give back to people that are in the property space. The guys that are in that group, over 100 plus people that attended, they're in all different shapes and sizes in terms of their portfolios, what they're looking to do in the investment space, whether they're just looking to get their first investment, buy and hold, a whole multitude of people. So it was awesome opportunity for me to give back to those guys and to, give them some of my knowledge and some of my passion around how I can potentially bring value to them in their investment journey, wherever that may be.
This month I went on holidays for a week. Here's some of the behind the scenes.
How do I? I'm actually in charge of the weekly wrap this week. I'm gonna make her regret that. Oh yeah, that is a massive mistake. Yeah, she's gonna regret this by the end of this week. I'm the new videographer, Justin.
You're gonna hold it steady.
No, this is perfect. This is perfect production quality, I'm telling you.
I reckon you'll feel sick once you watch it back.
Nah, mate, I reckon I'll feel amazed in my ability. He told me that I'd been fired as videographer for Realty, and that B wasn't actually gone. She was just on a cruise that week.
So we're on the growth path at the moment. This month especially, we have had a bit of a reshuffling of the deck, but the main thing is that growth is on the cards. Obviously, the reality is that we're doing a lot. We're very active in the marketing space, and we're attracting a lot of new business opportunities, and hope to attract more and more people that we can add value to and help with their real estate journey. So we really are on the hunt for new talent. We have had a couple of new team members start. So we've got a young guy that's just started with us, Riley, and he's just started this month. And we've also got some other people that are on our radar that are coming in for some trials and that kind of thing, which is awesome. Also got some part-time team members that have come in and helped us out as well. So it's been awesome to be able to get that sort of that new blood in. But in saying that, we are looking for the next lot of sales team to bring through. I've got a lot of opportunity for the next lot of sales guys to come in, especially. We've got some property management opportunities as well. So realistically, across the whole business, we've got some great opportunities overall. So really, it's been a great month, but it's been a month where we've realised we really need to push forward and get some of these new talent members in and get them to where they want to get to as quickly as possible. Some of the things that have been standouts is really the growth that has occurred within the team. So we've got, I've seen a lot of, on the sales side, the guys have stepped up again and really done a huge amount of sales volume there. And the best thing about that, apart from the fact that they've done the turnover, is that we've had some amazing feedback come back from those clients about their experience and the value that we're able to bring through the transaction, which is really where we want to be. The property management team as well have really stepped up and have really accelerated the way that they operate, and their customer service is through the roof. The feedback we're getting from those guys or from the general public for those team members is just awesome at the moment, and the support team inside. So really across the whole business, the support team both on property management and the sales side of the business is really just integral in what we do. It's really great to start to get that feedback through the clients that they're really appreciating all aspects of their involvement with the business. Really makes me super proud, and I'm really grateful for the team for doing that across the board. So yeah, there's definitely some mentions there. So I just want to say it has been an amazing month, and yeah, very grateful.
Thanks for watching. See you next month, guys.